So welcome back guys. Let's talk about Twitter searches and queries. So this is a very powerful button. This search icon is a very powerful button. So you could actually search for stuff. You can start by searching for usernames like I've always done. So you could search for usernames if you know what someone's username, so you could search for it. So here it is. I just searched for my username, which is my personal account, and you get to see what is here. So these are my usernames. So you get to search for it, and here we have it. So aside from searching for my username, let's talk about advanced search. So let's look for explore. Come to explore right now. We're able to search earlier on, but we did not use advanced search. So let's try to search for a word. So let me come right here. So let me just look for advanced search right now. Like I was saying, so you could use so let's use the settings, and here in settings you see trends for you, show content location and all that. So come to trending right here, and having to come to trending, so you're going to see trends for you and everything. Like I was saying, you need to search. So let's search for something. You need to search for something first. So let's say Billard Actions. I need to search for something Billard Actions. And here in Billard Actions, we want to use advanced search, which used to be queries. So here we have search settings. You could look at the search settings and leave that. But what we want to look at is advanced search. So let's look for advanced search right now. And you could see example, what is happening contains both what is and happening. So this is how to start that. So you're going to see words that have what is and happening. That's what it means. So when you write a word, when you search for a word, it's going to bring out what has this what is and happening. Then the exact phrase, when you're looking for an exact phrase, you put it in quotation, you put it in double quotation. That's what it means. So let's try to practicalize some of these advanced searches. So what this says is that when you use something like what is happening, what you would see is either you see what's or happening, or they are both together. So that's the meaning of the and. So let's see. So this is just an operand operation. So let's look at search. Let's look at explore right here and come to search. So come to search right here and type what's happening. You typing what's happening, what the search will bring as a result will be either what is happening, or it brings a post that has what's and as happening separately, or it brings the one that has both, or it brings them together. So that's what it means. So you could see right here, you have what's happening, you're going to have what's happening, a lot of what's happening is going on here. So you see this is what an apostrophe s happens. You see, that is something it does. So it's going to take what's happening. So that is what it literally means. Look at it, it took what as a keyword as well. So these are keywords when you're typing, when you're searching for something. And right now, if you want to search for an exact phrase, for instance, when you say happy hour, just happy hour, it brings results of happy hour, like either happy or hour or both together. So let's look at that. So you could see we have happy hour together right here, we have hours right here, we have happy without hours separate, happy separate. So that's what it does. But when you want to look for the exact phrase, that's what it's saying right here, you're going to use the double quotation. That's what it's saying right there. So let's use the double quotation. So this is double quotes, yes. So we're going to use double quotes one and double quotes this. So this way it only brings results of post that has happy hour. It's not going to bring them separately. So let's look at happy hour right now. It's going to bring posts that has happy hour together. It's not going to bring them separately. It's just going to be happy hour, happy hour. Everything will just be happy hour, happy hour. So that's what it means. So that is advanced searches for you. So let's see what we're going to do again. So it says example, any of these words. So if you are looking for any of these words, you could use cat, dogs, contains either cats or dogs or both. That's what it means. It's the same as this. So we are going to go on and on. None of these words. If you don't want to see a word, so you use cats and dogs, does not contain cats and does not contain dogs. So what you're going to do now is to add a, you could see cats, dogs, does not contain. So yes, let's say cats, dogs. So what it does is that when you say cats, dogs, from here, when you input it right here, it's going to bring post that does not contain any of this. You click on search right here. So every of your search would not have the cat or dog. So what it means is that you're going to put dash at the front of this and dash at the back of this, just to have something like this. That's what it means. So you have to put minus cats minus dogs, so it won't bring post that has that. That's what it's literally means. So that is that for that. So you could just go on to look for advanced search, and you could do more of these. So these hashtags, so when you're looking for an hashtags, you just come here, you type an hashtag, then you see post that contains the hashtag, so you could see languages and all that. So accounts, if you want to see accounts, you use the art button. Like you could see from here, it says art button. You use the art button to this account sent in to reply. So example, so you could see this to this account, so mentioning this account, so you could see all this. So these are advanced searches. You could check, you could use it to search for posts from one date to another. So this is how to use queries. Before, it used to be, it's still queries actually, but you can use them as advanced search right now, and that's how to use advanced search to get what you want or get any information you want. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.